Okay, so in this question we are told solid A and solid B are similar. The ratio of the height of solid A to the height of solid B is 2 to 5. The volume of solid A is 12 centimetre cubed. Work out the volume of solid B. Now we're doing this without a calculator. Typically, with similar shapes, we would take the larger shape and divide it by the smaller shape with whatever side is similar. So here we would do 5 divided by 2. However, that is going to give us 2.5. And when we're moving between scale factors, the volume scale factor would be 2.5 cubed, which is not going to be really something we want to do without a calculator. So we're going to take a slightly different approach. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this as a scale factor ratio. So like before, where we would write a length scale factor, and we would just write what that number is, here we'll just put the ratio, 2 to 5. Now to get to a volume scale factor, we're going to cube both of those numbers. So we're going to do 2 cubed, which is 8, and we are going to do 5 cubed, which is 125. We now have a ratio of the volumes, which makes this a whole lot easier. So we can take this volume of shape A, which is 12, and put it underneath wherever shape A is, which is in that first position. And now we've just got to figure out how do we get from 8 to 12. So to do that without a calculator, we can do 12 divided by 8, which you may or may not know is 1.5. However, if it's a fraction, we can just simplify it. So we can divide the top and bottom by 4, which gives us 3 over 2, which is more obviously 1.5 or 1.5. So in order to get from 8 to 12, we have multiplied by 1.5. So what we're going to do is the same to 125. We're going to also multiply by 1.5. Now 1.5 is a very nice number to multiply because all we do is we take half of that number, so half of 125, and add it on. It adds an extra 50% on. So up to you how you do that. I would do half of 120, which is 60, half of 5, which is 2.5, and then we have 62.5, which we need to add on to 125. Now we are doing this without a calculator. We don't want to get it wrong, so writing some column addition down, 62.5, we'll add these up. We get the 0.5 at the end, 7, 8 and 1, so we get a final answer of 187.5, and of course this is a volume, so that would be centimetres cubed. And there we go, we have our final answer there. So a different way of looking at it, rather than doing what we would normally do with a calculator, which would be the larger number divided by the smaller number to find that scale factor, and then changing it between area or volume, depending on what the question's asking about, we instead use the ratio and used it as a sort of linear scale factor ratio and turned it into a volume scale factor ratio. So there we go, quite a tricky similar shapes question there without a calculator. If you want all 9 questions like this in one place, then grab my REVISE9 revision grids completely free. Click the link in the description, create your free account and unlock them inside Upgrade or TGMT4T. Simply head to the REVISE9 tab, select Higher or Crossover and download them instantly.